kaukau hoi hapai e mua o ke kai e wahine hoi wā me kane hoi wā o Molokai Kamalo holo holo mai e kanaka kai Ke lohi ke kai e olu ahea mali e
We are in Waimanalo today with Peter and Cheryl, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning, something like that. Nenue. So we're on Nenue now. We were on Aloiloi Street. Now we're leaving Nenue Street and Ehukai Street. Walking up Ehukai. That's Kalanianaʻole Highway in front of us. That way is Kailua. The other way was going to Hawaii. Oh, we're going once again. What? We're gonna once again succulents. Well, I'm gonna wait for this truck.
If it was a high tide.
Oh, you gotta go low tide.
Yeah. We're still on Hihimanu Street, and this is Nonokio.
Wow.
Must be a chicken farm around here.
Right, the next one.
or just all the roosters. I know. I just finished our Aloiloi Walk.
Yeah, we just went and walked it yesterday again.
Oh.
After Greg saw the video, he would remember.
Read before you enter. I think that's night cirrus. They bloom like the dragon fruit, but no, it's only flowers, it's not a fruit. Waikupunaha Street.
The big stone statue.
And we're leaving Ahiki. Oh.
Horse dance.
Oh, learn the horse dance.
I just wanted to see that. See that
Yeah,
statue.
I see.
Yeah, because look, they have more photos on the right.
You can learn how to ride over here. It's huge. Look at. Oh my gosh, that's huge.
Sunday, not Saturday.
Because I love group by itself.
Sunday. Yeah.
Fuzzy.
I call it that.
And then this orange berry.
Yeah.
Dirty.
No.
Did you say it had green in it?
Yeah.
Wow.
It just reminded me of sherbet.
Oh.
Last 7 years experience, yes. Been having additional. Oh.
Hey, morning.
I wonder if they have succulents.
Sharon.
They have some nice plants. So pretty. What is that dark leaf that looks like
Sorry.
the gate kitchen?
Just can't take no for an answer.
I don't know how high the tree was. I don't think it was that high, but he's like, okay, cut the tree and then I'll catch the bananas.
Cats?
Yeah.
They're
I
heavy.
know. I
Oh,
was
no.
like, oh, I don't know. I don't know if that
Oh,
he's
no.
like, just cut it. And he used to wear glasses back then. And
Oh, no.
so I cut it, and all I remember was him just like this, all dazed, and his glasses was all crooked.
Peter's talking about his dad catching a banana tree when they cut it.
Yeah.
This is Akamai Landscape and Nursery. Look at that beautiful Koala mountain range in the back. We can see all the caterpillars eating it. Ooh, skate. Okay, anyways. I know, so cool.
2011.
Nani's Plant Service and Nursery. The plant place. And we don't need to show. I showed a drive there before. We don't need to show a walk there. He's gonna walk over there to buy plants. There's a gate. Oh, this isn't even that property. This is the next property. Wow. That's a whole pack. It's a nice yard. It's like they have concerts here, so.
Very nice. I love it.
You know when you're in Kaneohe and you look at the koalas, it's like so massive. It's like a huge tidal wave.
Yeah.
Oh, here's once again.
Oi! Oh, I thought it was up. Look at that clothes.
Geobunga. Oh, nice. The other street over there is Kia Street.
Well, the ones, the cheap ones.
The brand.
Oh, it's Rocky Road.
Huh? Fig. Yeah, fig. No trespassing. There's ours. Cool. For the benefit of the Waimanalo community and Hawaii Job Corps through the hard work of Aaron G. Leong. Land farm, plant sales, and rentals. They rent land too. Someone's riding a horse over there. English, Western. Albert H. Azevedo Field. Yeah, there is. This is the side with the sidewalk. That way would be going out to Kaneohe. Oh. Nice.
I've never seen that.
Hey, Naya, isn't that one of the dolphins at the Sea Life Park? Naya.
Isn't that what a dolphin is called in Hawaii?
Oh, is that? Oh, is that?
1983 they built this bridge. Yeah, they have that black duck thing in it. It's not a regular duck. You see it? It's over there. There's Bellows Air Force Station, Marine Corps training. Poles, they're like straps.
They cut the...
Oh, is it? Electric fan? This is the entrance to Sherwood. It says Waimanalo Bay, but we call it Sherwoods. Pine cone things on the ground.
Okay, so to massage your feet.
It makes my foot slip. When I'm Kalanianaʻole Highway. McDonald's right there.
Wow, look how much we walk, yeah?
Depending on your step,
That's
I
a
think.
path.
Oh, nice.
Well, maybe it just GPSes you.
Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell so you can get a notification every time we post a new video. And you can join us on Twitch. We're now on Twitch, and then we have a Patreon page if you want to join the Oluolu Hawaii team on Patreon. PayPal link is right here if you want to contribute to us that way. And have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Aloha.